the party so soon. What about the other guests? They'll just die if you don't turn up to save the day. Oh, how frustrating. Thought it was going to be easy, didn't you? Has tonight taught you nothing? In 2 minutes, the room will fill with happy gas. The audience will be in fits of ecstasy, and then die. Minute 30 to go. Gotta say, I'm getting bored already. Maybe I should just press the button and... No, only joking.
Batman, we're tied up. We can't get out.
Thank you, Batman. Are they all gone?
Yes, you're safe. What happened?
It all happened so fast. Some patients broke in, began tearing up the place, like they were looking for something. Bill here fought back, but there were too many. They took Dr. Young. She rushed in here and they followed.
I'm sorry. When I came to, we were all tied up. Doc Young was gone.
What's going on?
Answer me!
I said I don't know! She could be anywhere! You're not getting out of here, you know. Yeah?
What's that collar do? Why is it making that noise?
It's the suicide collar, but it sounds weird.
Suicide collar?
Well, they've got some other name, but, well, we just use them to monitor patients' heartbeats. If it drops too low, the alarm goes off and a crash team rushes in.
And so does my crew if you trigger one. How do you like them apples, bats? Standing around in the... let's see... Ah! The West Wing. They'd be there now if they weren't busy knocking a little sense into cash. I'll tell you what, I won't spoil the surprise and let them know you're coming.
Cash is in the next room. Sounds like he's taking a beating. You'd better help him.
I'll take care of it. You stay here.
Hit him again! Harder!
You're gonna need more than that. Why? Go on the radio. Tell him he's not talking.
Tell us where the bitch is.
Tell us, or we'll cut off your other hand. Do what you want. I'm not talking.
Sure you will. Harley Quinn is...
Hey, you guys may want to have a look on the walkways. I think someone left you a gift.
Anyone got a plan? Shut up and keep looking. Batman, can you hear me? Show yourself! Wait up! I'll watch your back! What the? Ah! Sure came from over there.
Hey, you guys may want to have a look on the walkways. I think someone left you a gift.
You heard, Joker! What are you doing? Ah! Need help!
Thanks.
Where did Dr. Young go?
I told her to run. These guys came in looking for her. I told her to go to her office and hide.
Does she keep her records there?
I guess. She was pretty desperate to get in there. Her office is over there.
How long ago was this? I need to find her notes before Joker gets his hands on them.
20 minutes, maybe more. What's so important about the notes?
Joker wants them. That makes them important. Stay here. I'm going to find her.
Not a problem. I'll try the radio, see if anyone else is around.
Thanks for the help back there.
Is anyone out there? We need assistance. Someone please respond. Arkham Control. Arkham Control, do you copy? Over. Anyone there? Hello, hello. If anyone is on this channel, please respond. Officer Cash, we are in the mansion and have encountered armed. Please respond.
Going after the notes yourself, eh, Bats? Good luck. I've got a crew working over the doctor as I speak. They'll squeeze the formula out of us soon enough. Not to mention the obvious clowns ripping this place apart. One way or another, the formula will be mine. Why? Overtime.
Gonna open.
Hold on! I think I've got it. Yeah, you said that 10 minutes ago.
You can be the one to tell him I'm not gonna.
It'll be open any second. Damn it! You're an idiot. Joker's not gonna be happy, and you know what that means. Quiet! Just shut up! I'm trying! Won't budge! He's here!
Joker's thugs were trying to get into that office.
It looks like they couldn't get through the main door. Got to find a different way in. Someone has already got to the safe. The only question now is, who opened it? No sign of forced entry. Whoever opened it knew the combination. Let's see.
Good. Dr. Young got to her notes before Joker. She's taken them to hide somewhere. I need to follow her and find out where she put them. Oracle, I'm on Dr. Young's trail. I've had to calibrate the scanner to only show recent prints. If I follow these, I will find her or the notes.
I hope it works. Just so you know, the GCPD found one of Joker's bombs downtown. It was full of marzipan and kittens.
As I thought, it's just a twisted diversion. The real action's on Arkham.
Joker was right. He's over there!
Get him!
Waste him! losing patience. You're cheating. You must be.
Oracle, I found Dr. Young's formula.
Great. So does that mean you've stopped Joker?
It's never this simple with him.
What's that you got there, Bats? No, not the formula. What am I to do? Who can help me now?
I heard a voice on one of the radios. It sounded like they were being told to meet in the
What's
warden's
that?
office.
How about our old friend Zaz? I did bump into him on the way back from the gardens, when no doubt he was acting out some twisted fantasy.
I heard a voice on one of the radios. It sounded like they were being told to meet in the warden's office.
Plan! Great plan, Bats!
I can't believe you insisted on sitting through that movie again, Bruce. Come on, we'll be late for Alfred.
I'm sorry, Daddy.
Go easy on him, Tom. He loved it so. Alfred will wait. Keep up, Bruce. Where are you taking us?
We can cut through here.
But it's starting to rain. Bruce is tired. Can't we just wait for him here?
Come on, keep up. We're nearly there. Please, there's no need for this. Stay with I'll give you whatever you want.
Come on, kid, this way. Take a seat in my office.
Is he okay?
He'll be fine. Kid like that with all that money, he'll be just fine.
Shut up, now. He's 8 years old and all alone. Money won't fix that.
Whatever you say, Gordon. His butler's on his way to pick him up. You hear that? He's got a butler.
I'm sorry about that. I just need to ask you some questions. Can I get you anything? You okay? I know you don't feel like answering me, but it's the only way to catch who did this.
Why did you do it, officer? Why?
I don't know. It's this city. And listen, son. Call me Jim.
trying to do? will shatter like glass. I know you're there. And at the end of fear, oblivion. Still, this won't hurt. You failed. Now suffer. Oh, there you are.